Thank you.
Mary! Mary, hey! Gotcha. 7110, I found her. She's in the draw behind the house. Mary, just stay put.
You need help?
Yeah, it's gonna be tough, and I've got the dog with me too, so she's about 20 feet down in the embankment. Good boy, Buzz. Good boy.
7110, we're gonna try to get through the woods to come to you.
Temple. Are you okay, Mary? Mary, are you okay?
There you go.
Good boy, Buzz. Hey, that's a good boy. That's my good boy. Just stay put, Mary. We're gonna come find you. It's the sheriff's office, okay? All right, are you okay? Okay. She is responding to me. We just gotta get to her somehow. Mary, we're gonna get you some help, okay?
Thanks for
Yes, ma'am. That a good boy, Buzz. Good job, Bubba.
I know, we're having kind of